Hey fam, how you doing? I am now in Thailand. Okay, this is my first time out here. It's hot as hell. I'm here to see my brother. I've only been here for a few days so far, but I'm in this hotel. It's called Vogue Pattaya Hotel. And I wanted to just give you a quick tour and talk about this room, this hotel. And so let's get into it. Let me give you some information. All right, so I've been in this room for a few days, like I said, and I'm about to check out. I need to check into another room. But I wanted to show you what this room looks like. This is my view. I'm on the 3rd floor, and this is what it looks like. It's, as you can see, I'm packing up, but the bed is all right. It's not the softest, but it was decent. They have a TV here. I really didn't watch TV anyway. Plus, there's something wrong with the screen, as you can see. Like, I don't know what all of this is, but who cares? I wasn't watching TV. But the bed was decent. This is the twin room. And then they have a fridge. So they have that. They have a lock right there. And this is a little closet area. You don't get robes or anything like that. No slippers. It's simple. And this is the bathroom. All right, I just want to kind of show you what the shower looks like. Okay. So, yeah, this is me checking out. So, of course, it looked better when I checked in. But this is what the room looks like. Now, another tip I want to give you. If you decide to stay in this hotel, let me show you. Do not book rooms. Like if you're on the 3rd floor, the first room they tried to book me into was 310. Okay, you can see it right there, 310. And on that side, that whole entire side, there's very little sunlight. So the room is dark. And let me show you right here. Okay, they have 2 little lamps here. Right, they have 2 lamps, but there's no lights up top. So the room is already kind of dark once the sun goes down. Now imagine being in this room and you have absolutely no sunlight. And it's because of trees and shade or what have you. Then you can barely see. So make sure that you book a room with a lot of sunlight. So all of these rooms, right, I'm in 304, but 3301, 3302 and on, right? All of these rooms right here, they're the rooms with the sunlight. So make sure that you take that into consideration wherever you stay, whichever room you stay. Yeah, so we'll talk more later. And that's it. This is Ronnie from Finding My Tribe signing off. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.